Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Paramount Plus on Vizio TV full setup walkthrough step by step clearly. To activate Paramount Plus on your Vizio TV, start by turning on your Vizio television. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet. From the home screen, navigate to the Apps section. Look for the App Store icon and select it. In the App Store, use the search function to find Paramount Plus. Once you find the Paramount Plus app, select it to open the download page. Choose the option to install or download the app. Wait for the app to install completely. Once installation is finished, open the Paramount Plus app. You will see a welcome screen with options to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, select the Sign In option. Enter your login credentials, including your email and password. If you don't have an account, choose the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your Paramount Plus account. Once signed in, you will receive an activation code on the screen. Now, take note of the activation code displayed. Using a separate device, open a web browser and go to the Paramount Plus activation. Enter the activation code provided on your TV screen. After entering the code, click the Activate button to confirm. Return to your Vizio TV. Your Paramount Plus app should refresh automatically. You should now be logged in and ready to enjoy your favorite shows and movies on Paramount Plus. If you encounter any issues, double-check your internet connection and account details. By following these steps, you will successfully activate Paramount Plus on your Vizio TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.